Begin configuring your PopQuiz feed from the content menu by selecting the PopQuiz tile. In the next window, you'll see on the left a preview where you can see PopQuiz content examples. On the right, set a custom name for your feed. Click the Customize this feed button at the bottom to make further customizations. Select your content type. PopQuiz can be delivered as an image or a video. Set an intro length, and then set a delivery method. Available delivery methods for images are HTML or Media RSS. Available delivery methods for video are Media RSS or Direct URL. Click the Create Feed button to create your PopQuiz feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.